Hello everyone, today we will make Moong, Masoor and spinach khichdi for 10 to 12 months old babies. Once babies have been introduced to plain khichdi, dal, soup, etc., it will be a great meal option for them. You can also make this for toddlers and older kids. Just add salt as per taste for them. So here we have moong dal and masoor dal in equal quantities. I have taken 1 teaspoon of each of them. So we have then washed the two dals very well in running water and then soaked them for half an hour. Similarly, we have also washed rice in running water and soaked it for half an hour. Here is 3 teaspoons of rice. We have 4 to 5 teaspoons of spinach, chopped spinach, again washed very well and finely chopped. 1 clove of garlic, about a pinch of cumin seeds and a pinch of pepper powder, and we have 1 teaspoon of ghee. We will also need a pinch of turmeric. So heat the pressure cooker and add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. Once the ghee heats up, we will then add the cumin seeds. So when the cumin seeds start spluttering, we will add the clove of garlic. Adding a whole clove helps if you want to take out the garlic before giving it to the baby, in case you feel it is too strong. But if you want to give it, you may just mash it along with the khichdi and give. So now we add the spinach. Saute it along with the spice. And then add the dals. Again, we will saute it well. It will take just a few seconds. Add a pinch of haldi or turmeric powder. I missed out in the ingredients list. Sorry about that. And finally, we will add our soaked rice. So once we have mixed everything well, keep sauteing it. Add the pepper powder. Pepper powder gives a nice taste to the khichdi. I usually avoid red chili powder, even for older babies. Then finally we add the water. Now we are going to add a good amount of water because it's for babies and we want a thin khichdi. This is about 1.5 cups of water. You may add a little more or less depending on how you want the consistency. So now we close the pressure cooker lid and cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. Here our khichdi is ready now. It has been cooking. So you can mash it, take out the garlic pod if you want and mash it well with a ladle, and we will take it out in a bowl to serve. Our moong, masoor and spinach khichdi is ready. We have mashed it well and it's ready for baby.